How to connect smart TV to Wi-Fi network. Ensure the TV is plugged in and use the remote control to press the power button. Wait for the TV to fully start up and display the home screen. Locate the menu, Home, or Settings button on your remote control. Press it to bring up the TV's main menu or home screen where you can access various settings. Within the network settings, choose the wireless or Wi-Fi option. This directs your TV to search for available wireless networks instead of wired connections. Your TV will begin scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. This may take a few moments. Ensure your router is turned on and within range. Once the scan is complete, a list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear on the screen. If your Wi-Fi network is secured with a password, you'll be prompted to enter it. Use the on-screen keyboard to input the password. After entering the password, select the Connect or OK button to initiate the connection process. Once the TV has successfully connected, a confirmation message or a check mark should appear on the screen indicating that the connection was successful. To verify that the connection is working, try accessing a streaming app like Netflix or YouTube, or use the TV's web browser if available.